Hello viewers, I'm your host Asha Sheikh. Today talk about if WhatsApp chat are end to encrypted, why do Bollywood chats keep leaking all the time? Please have a look. WhatsApp chat are into encrypted via time and again the chats of Bollywood celebrities are accessed even never there is a case against them. Why and how does it happen? So, WhatsApp chat are into encrypted, something that the Facebook owned company has always maintained. Into encryption means that no one apart from the sender and receiver can read the messages, not even WhatsApp. So, debate such a strange rule. Why is it that every time there is a Bollywood scandal, the WhatsApp chat of the person involved are leaked and accessed? Of late, there have been too many instances of WhatsApp chat of Bollywood celebrities leaking. In 2022, WhatsApp chat belonged to actress Riya Chakravarti were circulate all over the internet. Then we saw Deepika Padukone heading to the NCB office after her chat with an illegal drug dealer were accessed. The latest case involved Bollywood actress Ananya Pandey, who was summoned by the NCB after her chats with Aryan Khan, son of Shah Rukh Khan, were legally revealed to the authorities. All these incidents make one question whether WhatsApp messages are really into encrypted and how do the chat leak or are accessed by others. We try to explain. I clear your first doubt, is WhatsApp really into encrypted? WhatsApp has always maintained that all its messages are into encrypted. In the given scenario, the messages can only be read by the sender and the receiver, and no third person can gain access to them. Not even WhatsApp and Facebook. WhatsApp into encryption use a single protocol which keeps the third parties and WhatsApp itself from having access to messages or calls. WhatsApp has no ability to see the content of messages or listen to calls that are into encrypted. That's because the encryption and description of messages sent and received on WhatsApp occurs entirely on your device. Before a message ever leaves your device, it's secure with a cryptographic lock, and only the receipt has the key. In addition, the keys change with every single message that sends. While all the scenes happen behind the scenes, you can confirm your conversation or protect by checking the security verification code on your device. WhatsApp FAQ page states. I clear your second doubt. How can WhatsApp chat be accessed deeply into encryption? End-to-end encryption, when implemented well, is a serious business. It is near impossible, if not possible, to break into encrypted data. So, how do WhatsApp chat leak? The reality is most cases is that they don't instant. They are accessed, and this access happens simply with unlock your phone and give it to me. In India, the law around the access of personal device like smartphones is has. In the US of many Europe's countries, cops acquire warrant before they can seize and search phone and computers. Here are server scenario. First, the phone is physically accessed that the user is told to unlock it. Once unlocked, all chats are accessible. Screenshot can be taken, they can be copied, they can be shared. Second point, the phone is physically accessed but it is not unlocked. It is instance forensic team can do some of their magic. WhatsApp chat are encrypted, but until a couple of weeks ago, the chat backups that WhatsApp was making to Google Drive or iCloud, they are not encrypted. These chat backups could be accessed using some specialist tools. For example, when someone has the phone data on it could be cloned on the computer and then could be accessed used forensic tools. At the same time, there is an option available on law enforcement agencies to approach Google and Apple with a valid court order and get the WhatsApp chat backups from them. These backups then could be taken part in forensic labs. Even now, when the chat's backups can be encrypted, the option has been enabled by the user. So unless you explicitly tell WhatsApp you encrypted your chat's backups, they will still be encrypted from. I clear your third doubt. Can WhatsApp share data with law enforcement authorities? Law enforcement authorities can contact WhatsApp to share the account records of a user in emergency situation. The stored content of many accounts may include about information, profile photos, group information, and address book unavailable. Once a request is placed, WhatsApp carefully review, validate, and responds to law enforcement requests based on applicable law and policies. However, now here does the FAQ page of WhatsApp state that the messaging app share the message content with the law enforcement authorities. It is because WhatsApp does not store messages once they are delivered and transaction logs of such delivered messages. The undelivered messages are deleted from WhatsApp server from 30 days. The end-to-end encryption, which is activated by default, does not allow WhatsApp to access the chat of its users. Stay tuned for the latest update. Don't forget like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel so that your friends are also up to date latest entertainment news. Right now I am signing off, but will come shortly with new updates. Thank you.